ग्रामांतले महाराष्ट्र.
What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. This is day 2 in Bharatpur. We are staying in a farm stay in a small village called Mala. It was a beautiful morning today. When I came out, there was fog around, lingering on the trees. The sun was rising. Just have a look at some of the footage which I shot in the morning. Staying in a farm stay is very different because when you come out you can hear the chirping of the birds, you can hear the dogs barking, you can also hear the tractors, and the scenery which you see is very different. You can see farmlands and trees and birds and various kind of animals all around you. It is so peaceful, and you can see the sky behind me, it is blue. We have escaped the pollution of Delhi and we are really liking it here. So let's head for the breakfast now. It's around 8:15. Let us see what we are going to get for breakfast. Remember, this is farm stay. That is fresh methi and green chilies getting chopped for our parathas. And this is for aloo ka paratha. That is, I think, boiled potatoes and some spices. There is onion, there is green chili, and there is coriander. Chandan is an expert cook and he makes sure that we get to eat a lot of delicious things, and he keeps us happy. So our breakfast is ready. Everything freshly made. There's a huge bowl of dahi. I think there is lesun ki chutney. We'll taste that and see what it is. And there is another kind of pickle, probably a mango pickle. We have three kinds of paratha. We have a plain paratha, we have methi paratha, and then we have aloo paratha. So there are three of us, and all three of us are going to taste three different parathas. Maybe I will take a bite of all three parathas. I have an omelette, but this omelette is different from what we make at home because I think there is some chili powder which has gone inside. So you can see specks of chili powder. So let me taste first the methi paratha. I think this is the methi paratha. Just a bite of the methi paratha. I actually asked them to keep the spice level little low, so there are hardly any green chilies in this. Little dry because I have not applied any butter on this. If you put a dollop of butter, it will become super tasty. Now let's taste this little bit of this chutney. So you can see this thick chutney. Little bit of this chutney. So with this methi paratha, I'll take little bit of this chutney. Not little bit, I'm going to take a generous amount. Just have a look at this. Definitely lot of garlic in there and chilies. This is the breakfast which I like. Normally I have idlis or dosas in the morning, but that's at home. Whenever I travel, I prefer to have parathas than bread. This is super healthy and really nutritious. And this breakfast actually fills you up and keeps you going, at least for next 2 or 3 hours. There is that pungent flavor of the chutney coming in. That is the garlic. I'm going to take a little bit of dahi and taste the aloo paratha now. Since this is a farm stay, all the dairy products are made here. They have their own cows and buffaloes. So you have good milk, you have fresh dahi, and also ghee is made here. The ghee certainly tastes different, but it's quite healthy and it's pure. So I'm going to taste the aloo paratha. Aloo paratha is really soft. You can see the aloo paratha. The methi paratha I thought was a little dry, but this aloo paratha, it is really soft and it just melts in your mouth. Perfect. I'm going to taste it with a little bit of dahi. The dahi is a little creamy because it's made from the fresh full fat milk. So it certainly tastes different from the mother dairy dahi. But you go to taste this. This is quite nice. And a sip of hot tea. Wow. Nice hot cup of tea. This is typical Indian masala tea, and this is the traditional Indian breakfast which you eat in North India. Paratha, dahi, lasun ka chutney, the mango pickle and hot tea. I'm going to taste the omelette and I'm going to continue eating this parathas. So I'll see you in a little while. After this hearty breakfast, we are heading for a village tour. Mala is the name of the village in Bharatpur. Watch this video in the next episode. The village tour was great. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please hit the red button below. Also press the bell button to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Also check our website www.chompingchampion.com. Till the next episode, take care and stay safe. Bye.